Hey guys, I hope you all doing well. In today's video, we're gonna list out some of the most expensive dogs in the world. All across the world, people have dogs as a pet. From people living in a high-rise apartment in a large city or people living in a cabin in the middle of the woods, dogs have seemed to make their ways into the homes of all demographic of people. Disclaimer, price mentioned in this video are all based on approximation. It may varies region to region and country to country, so don't go all ham in the comment section. So here we go. Starting off with this list, we have Afghan Hound, which costs around $7,000. An average Afghan Hound stands up to 60 to 69 cm for a female, and for male, it's 60 to 74 cm. They weigh up to 26 to 34 kg for both male as well as female. These dogs are one of the most beautiful dogs around the world and are commonly used for dog contests. They are originated from the cold mountains of Middle East and then they expanded from there to Persia and then to Afghanistan. They have long and thick floating hair which looks gorgeous on them and also protects them from sub-zero temperature. They are also available in variety of colors such as gold, brown, white and black, making them a perfect dog for a wealthy family. Next up on this list, we have the Pharaoh Hound, which costs around $7,500. An average Pharaoh Hound stands up to 53 to 61 cm for a female, and for a male, it's 55 to 63 cm. They weigh up to 18 to 27 kg for both male as well as female. They are sleek, aerodynamic coursing hounds bred for high-speed pursuit on rocky terrain. They also have a top speed of 56 km per hour, making them amongst the top 10 most fastest dogs in the world. They are also National Dog of Malta. Pharaoh Hound is also known as Keln Tal Fennec, which means rabbit dog. No, it's not because it looks like a rabbit. Does it? It's because they are used to hunt rabbits in Maltese Island. Pharaoh Hound is also well known for its blush. His nose and ears turns into deep rose color when he is excited or happy. Coming up next on this list, we have Dogo Argentino, which costs around $8,000. An average Dogo Argentino stands up to 60 to 65 cm for a female, and for a male, it's 60 to 80 cm. They weigh up to 35 to 40 kg for a female, and for a male, it's 40 to 45 kgs. This breed has one of the most killer bite force amongst any dog breed around the world. A well-trained Dogo Argentino has a bite force of 500 psi. Here's a comparison. An average human being has a bite force of 125 psi. So basically one Dogo Argentino bite is equals to 4 human bite, which is quite rough and bone breaking honestly. They are also used as a hunting dog which has the capacity to bring down wild boar on their own. This breed is also very loyal to its owner. So don't try to toy around them or their owner for your own sake. Next up on this list, we have Canadian Eskimo, which costs around $8,750. An average Canadian Eskimo stands up to 50 to 60 cm in female and 58 to 70 cm for a male. They weigh up to 18 to 30 kg for a female and 30 to 40 kg for a male. This dog breed is the rarest breed amongst any dog breeds around the world. In fact, this breed is currently facing extinction with less than 300 dogs remaining. Canadian Eskimo is very territorial and they oftenly overreact to small disturbances, which makes them a very unfriendly family dog and should not be left around children. The Canadian Eskimo is a generally healthy breed, not troubled by the consequences of inbreeding due to a large foundation of stock. However, the breed is prone to several minor health issues including cataracts and heat intolerance. Coming up next on this list, we have the Rottweiler, which costs around $9,000. An average Rottweiler stands up to 50 to 60 cm for a female and 61 to 69 cm for a male. Although the Rottweiler is very common breed compared to other dogs in this list, but they are not a healthy breed. Generally, they cost around $1,500. But what makes them expensive is that it's very vulnerable to almost any disease, especially hips and joints issue. Pet insurance claims highest amongst any other breed, so yeah, this dog stack pile of money for insurance company. Rottweiler is also amongst the most dangerous dogs around the world and hence are used for guarding something, let it be a farm or a house. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. But before ending, do mention down in the comment section that which dog in this list appealed you most and why. Till then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.